In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code your Microsoft Outlook calendar 2025. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to Microsoft Outlook. You can search for Microsoft Outlook or go directly to outlook.live.com. Once the site loads, sign in with your account. If you have more than one account, make sure you're using the one connected to the calendars you want to color code. Keep your login details secure and don't share them. After you're signed in, you'll land on the Outlook homepage. Look to the left-hand side and select the calendar icon. This switches you from mail to your calendars. You should now see your calendar grid and on the left panel a list of calendars under sections like My Calendars or Other Calendars. To change a calendar's color, move your mouse over the name of the calendar in that left panel. Click the three dots beside the calendar name to open more options. From the menu that appears, choose Color. You'll see a palette of color choices. Click the color you want, and Outlook will apply it instantly to all events on that specific calendar. This doesn't change the content of any event. It simply updates how that calendar's items look so they're easier to spot at a glance. If you manage multiple calendars, repeat the same action for another one. Again, hover over the calendar name, click the three dots, choose color, and then select a different shade. Aim for clear contrast between calendars so you can quickly tell them apart in a busy week. For example, you might use one color for personal appointments and another for team schedules or shared resources. Pick hues that are easy on your eyes and consider high contrast options if you want maximum visibility. A quick tip: the color you choose applies to the entire calendar's events in your view. It's a fast way to organize without editing individual meetings. If your interface looks a bit different, the option is still in that three-dot menu next to the calendar name on the left. Also, this works no matter which view you prefer, day, work week, or month, so choose the view that helps you plan best. Once you've set distinct colors for each calendar, scan your schedule and notice how much easier it is to understand your day. You've just created a visual system that reduces confusion and speeds up planning. That's all you need to color code your Microsoft Outlook calendar in 2025.